Everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I'm working my way through an old TI Basic programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. I'm up to program number 95, which is called Drawing Sketches. I'm going to read the brief program description, get into TI Basic and the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates a TI-99 4A in a modern PC. Type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, program number 95, Drawing Sketches. Now you can draw lines, rules, diagrams, maps, charts, boxes, anything you can imagine on the face of your color TV set. Use the computer keyboard as your pen and its video output as your ink. Lines 50 to 390 accept your up, down, right, or left commands as U, D, R, or L. No other letters will work. Line 400 draws your lines. Okay, let's get into TI Basic. Press 1 for TI Basic. And let's get typing. 10, call clear. 20, call CHAR. 128, and we have 16F, so this is just a solid block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 30, R equals 1. 40, C equals 1. Row and column, I believe. 50, call key. 0, Z, X. 60. If X equals 0, then 50. 70. If Z equals 85, then 90. 80, go to 150. 90. R equals R minus 1. 100, if R is less than 1, then 120. 110, go to 140. 120, R equals 1. Oops, sorry, equals 1, there we go. 130. Go to 50. 140. Go to 400. 150. If Z equals 68, then 170. 160, go to 230. 170, R equals R plus 1. 180, if R is greater than 24, then 200. 190, go to 220. 200, R equals 24. 210, go to 50. 220, go to 400. 230, if Z equals 82, then 250. 240, go to 310. 250, C equals C plus 1. 260, if C is greater than 32, then 280. 2 270, go to 300. 280, C equals 32. 290, go to 50. 300, go to 400. 310. If Z equals 76, then 330. 320, go to 390. 330, C equals C minus 1. 340, if C is less than 1, then 360. 350, almost had a typo there. 350, go to 380. 360, C equals 1. 370, go to 50. 380, go to 400. 390, go to 50. 400, call HCHAR. This is what actually draws the character to the screen. R, C, 128. Row, column, character number 128. And 410, go to 50. Okay, is that all she wrote for that program? Yes, it is. Okay, so we're going to use the keys U, D, L, and R, up, down, left, and right. Before we run the program, let's clear the screen, list it out. We're looking for any syntax errors, typos, math errors, anything of that sort. And just because we don't see anything doesn't mean there aren't any errors. But at a glance, it looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and run the program. Okay, so up, down, left, and right. Let's go right. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. We can draw. Down. There's no way to pick up the pen and drop the pen. Right, down, left. No arrow keys, so it's a little counterintuitive. Up, 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 up. Right, right, right. Down. Left. Up. Right. I don't know what I'm drawing, just some arbitrary design here. Down. It's a cute little way to make a little drawing program, though. It's, for what it is, it's really cute. Let's go up. All right, I like it. There's my little geometric design. Anyways, yeah, it's a cute little program, actually. You know, one nice feature would be the ability to turn on the pen on or off, so you don't have to draw on purely connected lines like this, but that's okay. Yeah, this was, what was this? This was program number 95, Drawing Sketches, from the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. Cute little drawing program, not a bad little drawing program in TI Basic. You can imagine lots of ways of jazzing this up, drawing with other characters or being able to change the colors. This would be a great starting point for a more sophisticated but still pretty simple TI Basic drawing program. In any case, if you are watching this after the fact on my YouTube channel, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth, which is my handle on Twitch. A little nod and a tip of the hat to my favorite modern game, World of Warcraft. Or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, retro computing, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming off and on. and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. If you happen to be watching this on YouTube, be sure to check out my Twitch channel as well. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth for live streams and all the above. And if you happen to catch me streaming live, be sure to say hi in the chat or participate as you see fit. And same thing, check out my YouTube channel as well. In any case, follow me on the other platform, whichever platform you're on. And I appreciate the enthusiasm for these retro TI-99 4A live streams, short as they are. I'm starting and stopping the stream to be able to do all 101 of these old TI basic programs from this old book in a separate video. So stay tuned if you're watching live on Twitch. I'll be back in a few minutes with the next program in the next video. But like I said, I appreciate the enthusiasm and likes and follows and especially subscriptions, which do help me out greatly in these very challenging and troubling financial times. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next video.